Badili. Every phone we refurbish is treated with the utmost care and expertise. Our skilled technicians ensure that each device is meticulously restored to its prime condition. From diagnosis to repair, we replace worn components and conduct thorough testing to guarantee the phone works like new. Our quality control process is rigorous, ensuring that every device leaving our workshop is reliable and ready for you. When you choose Badili, you're not just getting a refurbished phone. You're getting a device that's been repacked with love and backed by a commitment to excellence. Badili. Quality you can trust.